Hello everyone and welcome back to David IB course. Today we're diving into a super interesting topic, using linear equations to solve real-life age problems. Ready? Let's go. Here's the puzzle. Malikah's mum is currently 4 times as old as she is. In 6 years, her mum will be 3 times as old as Malikah will be then. So how old is Malikah right now? Let's break it down. Let's say Malikah's current age is X. That means her mum's age is 4X. In 6 years, Malikah will be X plus 6, and her mum will be 4X plus 6. The problem says her mum will be 3 times her age, so our equation is 4X plus 6 equals 3 times the quantity of X plus 6. This simplifies to 4X plus 6 equals 3X plus 18. Now, let's rearrange it. 4X minus 3X equals 18 minus 6. That gives us X equals 12. So Malikah is 12 years old and her mum is 48. See how easy that was? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos presented by